Good evening, everyone. Everyone are fine? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So let's do a quick recap of what you learned in the last class. In the last class, can anyone say what did you learn in the last class? Any one of you?
to make the color palette.
Yeah. In the last class, you learned how to create a color palette, and the class was held by Trisha, and she taught you how to create the color palette. And I hope everyone got that topic. And I then lot of you were having a test this week, and most of you could not submit your assignments. You could submit your assignments after your tests are done. You could do your assignments again and send those assignments after the test. And is everyone ready to know the topic of today's class?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in today's class, we will be learning about how to do a diary entry, like a diary writing diary. Some of the people will have the habit of writing their diaries, like their daily routines and some of the special events that takes place in a day. That is what called diary entry. Diary entry is nothing but writing the highlights of the day, and some of them have that habits to write the diary whatever the day is about, and what are the events that are done in the day and the highlights of the day. That is what called diary writing. And in this class we will learn how to write that diary in a digital form. Like the diary writing is almost done through a book and pen. You would write everything in a book, but in this class we will learn how to create through html diary writing through html. Is that fine to everyone? Can we start the class?
yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will share my screen. Yeah. Can everyone see my screen?
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Can everyone see this page? Can everyone?
yeah,
Yeah. This is what we are gonna create today. This is all about your personal diary. First, you would enter the date on which day you're writing the diary, and start writing the things what you write here. This is what you will be going to learn in today's class. So let's start the class. Let's open Notepad. Yeah. So let's start today's diary entry. First, as usual, you will write HTML. Then you would write head. Then you will write the title. I will give the title as My Diary. Close the title. Yeah. Next, close the head tag. Yeah. After closing head tag, I'll open the body and give the BG color. After giving BG color, next I'll go to the next line and start a mark tag. Mark and give the direction. After giving the direction, then I would also give H1 tag to highlight the particular text which I'm gonna write here. The text is my personal personal diary. After typing my personal diary, uh, then I would close the mark tag. After closing mark I will close the H1. Yeah, and this is what the title we give. The title is my personal diary, and we will open a center tag because whatever we write should be at the center. So we use the center tag. Here we start from here we will start the diary entry. Before starting the content, we will always write the date and day in while diary writing. So first we will write the date and the day, and next we will start the events or the highlights of that day. For this color you can give whichever color you need. I will give white. Yeah, after this you would open a paragraph tag. And you could also add other tags like italics or bold, anything. I will be adding a H2 tag to highlight the date and type date and write the date. After typing the date, you could close the paragraph tag, H2 tag, and you will close the font size tag. Yeah. Is everything clear till here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So next, we will start the diary entry. Here we will give font size, color. I will give blue. then a paragraph tag, then a italics tag. Then I'll start the highlights or the whatever the events that are done in each day. I'll start going on entering everything in the digital diary. Today, the day was productive day. You could also enter the other data, whatever was done in your each day. Like if you had like went somewhere, you could also add that. Whatever the highlights or the events that you feel to add in your diary, or that you feel to write down it, or the memorable moments which you had in a day, you could enter those moments in the diary. Uh, so let's continue. I will add a BR tag here. Yeah. Today the day was productive. I completed all my daily chores. I completed all my daily chores. Then I went on a long walk. The climate, the climate of the day was perfect. You could also mention the climate if you want, like the climate of the day was sunny and or the rainy, or it was chill outside. You could mention the even the climate here. And you're right. I completed my daily exercise, and you could add a BR tag here. I completed my daily exercise and had a delicious and had a delicious supper and had a good sleep. Yeah. You could also write a big paragraph about the day, or even you could add some more things, like what was the temperature, or whatever you would like to add in your diary you could add. And this is what I have given the content here, right here. Today the day was productive. I completed all my daily chores. I went on a long walk. The climate of the day was perfect. I completed my daily exercise and had a delicious supper and had a good sleep. Yeah, this is what I have written in the body part. You could see. Yeah. Next, after that, you would close all the tags which you have used. First, you will close paragraph tag. Then you would close the italic tags. Then the font size. Then the center. Then the body. Then the last tag you close is HTML. Is this part clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. So after this, we will save the file. You could save it whatever you need. I will save my digital diary entry. My digital diary entry dot html. Yeah. And save this, and we will see how is our output. Yeah. Can everyone see what is the output we got?
Yeah.
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 So can any one of you raise your hands? Can any one of you just give a brief explanation about what are the tags and what a diary is and how do we create it? You can raise your hands. You can go on. Dhanlakshmi.
Yeah. So first we will write the HTML head and title. Then we
Yeah.
will write body color. Then later we'll write mark you direction right and my personal diary. Then
Yeah.
later we'll align to center. Then we will choose the font style, font size, then color. Then we'll write a paragraph uh, tag, and later we'll write the date. Again, we'll close that font tag and we'll open new font style.
Yeah.
Then we'll write the body diary.
Thank you, Dhanlakshmi. So do anyone have doubts about today's session or the parts anywhere?
No.
Yeah. So let's go back to our codings. Yeah, I would like to say ask a question. Here we have given the font size and the color. While closing, we close only font. Why is that so? Can anyone just raise your hands?
Can you repeat once again?
Yeah. Here we have given the two segments like we have given font size and color, but while closing, we close only the font. We're not closing like the color. We are not typing the color. Only we close the font. Why is
Can I
that
say?
so?
Can
Can I
Yeah.
I?
say?
Yeah.
So
Anyone
because
of you.
it contains in the tag of font, so we no need to close the color one. Just if we close the font, it's enough because it is considered inside the font size tag.
Yeah, correct, Trisha. Thank you. Here you can see that the tag which I used is starting from here and ending here. As this whole tag contains the whole content, it contains even the color and the font size. The both is in the same tag. So if we close the font size tag, it means that we are also closing the color tag. So we doesn't want to close like color tag separately. If you want to close like that, we should just close this tag here, then close the font and start a new tag here to close the separate tag. We are not gonna close the color tag because of this reason. Did everyone get that?
Yeah.
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 So, yeah. Can anyone say what are the uh, like the tags which we have used for the decorative manner, for the purpose of making the making the diary more attractive? What are the tags which we have used? Yeah,
Can
Gagan.
I?
We have used font tag,
Yeah,
font size,
yeah,
and we have used the background color,
yeah,
and we have used the different text alignment such as italics and bold
yeah,
to make it more attractive, and we gave the color to separate for text and
yeah,
headings. We
yeah,
used marquee tag to give a direction and to make it more attractive,
yeah.
and this much tags we have used.
Yeah. Can anyone would like to add some more tags to it? You could raise your hands. Yeah, Vedashri. Add some more tags for that.
For date, we can add U tag, I mean underline tag.
Yeah, underline tag. Yeah.
And then
Yeah. Wait. I will add and show them. Yeah. Where should I add the underline tag?
uh, there in the seventh line, not eighth line.
Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I add here? Yeah.
Yeah.
What does the tag start from? Like,
U.
yeah. Thank you. Yeah. You. And where do you close this tag?
After H2.
Yeah, correct. We will close the tag here. U tag. Yeah. Let's see the output. How does the if we get the underline or not? Yeah, you got the underline here below the date. Did everyone observe that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is how you can add extra features for your file, giving the underline tag and some of the other tags. Could anyone else would like to add any other tags here? You could add any tag like highlight tag. We have lot of tags like highlight, big, and we have a lot of tags.
We can add mark tag for date.
Yeah, you could say the tag. I will add here.
Open bracket mark and close the tag.
Mark total full. I should write mark.
Yeah, mark.
MARK
Yeah. Then close the tag.
here.
Yeah, we can close that.
Yeah. Let's see if we get it or not. Can everyone see we got like the highlighted the yellow color on the date? Did everyone observe that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how you can add extra features, and you could also use different colors for the body, and you could also use different tags. Like if you doesn't want this text to be moving, you can use the other tags. Like you could use mark, like they said, and you could also use highlight tag, big tag, and there are lots of tags which you could use for the headings H1, H2, and bold tag, italics tags, and there are a lot. If you go on saying, there are a lot of tags which you could use in the um, web page to make it more attractive, and you could yeah can anyone say why we are not closing the br tag? As you see here, we have opened h2 and we closed here, we open underline and closed here, mark and closed here, but we doesn't close br. Why is that so? You can
Because it's
write.
an empty tag.
Yeah, thank you, Vandana. Yeah, that's because the BR is an endless tag, and you doesn't close the tag anywhere. That's how the BR tag works. And all other tags need a slash, and we should close the other tags like H2, paragraph tag, underline tag, mark you tag, and title, head, HTML. Every tag should be closed. And some of the exceptional tags like BR, if we even doesn't close them, that doesn't matter. They are like the endless tags. Did everyone get?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. So, do anyone have doubts or any queries about today's class?
No.
No.
Yeah. So the assignment for the next week is that here I have given the diary entry for the one day, like July 11, 2025. You should give for 2 days. Like it is July 11. You could give for July 11 and 12, or you could give for the 2 days diary entry. You should not do one day diary entry. You should do 2 days of diary entry. You could use the same method, but give for 2 days. You repeat the methods and make it for 2 days. Did everyone get the assignment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will be sharing in the text form in the group, so you could also go through there and do your assignment. I would repeat the assignment. The assignment is that you should do the 2 days of diary entry. 2 days of diary entry, like you could give like July 11 and 2025, July 12, 2025. You should enter the 2 days of diary entry, and you should forward that to the group. Is that fine?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I will stop sharing my
Can you
screen.
repeat that once again?
Yeah. The assignment is that you should, as you see in our what today's class, we have entered one day of the diary entry. Like we have entered only July 12, 2025 diary entry. The day of that, you should enter the 2 days, like July 12, 2025, and also the 13/12 to 13/7, 2025. You should enter the 2 days of the diary entry and share it. Did you get that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it will also be shared in the group through text form. You could also read that and get the assignment. Yeah. Do
Okay.
anyone have any doubts? Yeah.
No.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you everyone for joining today's class. And I guess everyone got, I hope all of you have got the class what I did today. And it is a simple and easy topic. So I hope everyone will submit your assignments. And those who were having test last week, you could submit your assignments after your test. And thank you everyone. I will wind up the class.
Thank you.